Hello guys, welcome back to my page. So today I'm showing you how I decorated this my simple chocolate birthday cake. Just relax and watch as I get it decorated. So the first thing is to get my whipped cream. Yeah, like I always say, it has to be very cold. And then I added some sugar depending on how sweet I want it to taste, and then vanilla flavor. Then the next thing is to whip it under a very high speed for about 5 minutes or until you see it turn firm. And now these are the chocolate cake that I baked. I already did a video on how I baked this chocolate cake, and just check my previous video and you'll see that. So I've layered the two cakes, and then I'm using my whipped cream to ice it. You can use any icing of your choice, but whipped cream is very, very fast and very easy to make, and it tastes so nice. So I've tried to cover the sides of the cake and the top as well. And after that, I'm using my comb. This is called cake comb. So I'll be combing the side of the cake as well as the top of the cake. And if I see that it's not smooth enough, I'm allowed to, comb it as much as I think it is necessary. So that's it. I'm trying to comb the side more so I can achieve that smooth and beautiful cake. So now I'm combing it up as well. And after that, the next thing is for me, yeah, to transfer it into a cleaner, cleaner base. Yeah. So I'm moving it onto that cleaner base. Yeah. When you're transferring, you need to be careful. It's not necessary though. You can actually cover your cake on the board that you want to use. Then the next is to pipe the top, depending on this design that you want. So I'm using my usual tip 1M, and then doing some rosette on top of the cake. And after this, I'll be piping the side, just simple piping, at the side. Yeah, look at it. It's coming out really good, right? So now it's time to garnish my cake. I can decorate it with whatever you want. You can add some fruits, but here I'm just using these chocolate balls that are of different shapes, different colors. So I decided to make it as simple as it is. I'm just sprinkling those balls all around the cake. Mm. And after that, it's time to write on the cake. So this is usually the most interesting part that I love in cake making is the part where I get to, display my writing skill on that cake. I love to write on cakes. So that's me writing happy birthday to me on my cake. You can write anything that you want on your cake. So it's just like that. It's as simple. Please tell me in the comment box which part of cake making do you think you will like or you like. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.